Hello friends, today I will explain about a simple microscope. We know that in a simple microscope there is only one convex lens through which you can see an object larger. And here you see this is a simplest microscope, and we will see the various parts of this simplest microscope. It is also known as dissection microscope, and I will show you the various parts present in this simple microscope. And we know that a simple microscope has only one convex lens, but a compound microscope has two convex lenses. Here you see this has only. Now first of all, we learn about the various parts of a simple microscope. Here you see this is a simple microscope. This is the base of the simple microscope. Here you see this is the base of the simple microscope in which it stands, right? And here you see this one. Here you see this can be this is the lens. Here you see this is the lens, one lens, and this is convex lens, and it can be moved up and down to focus an object. Here you see with the help of this screw we can move up or down Here you see, we can move up or down this lens to focus an object. Not only that, we can move up. Here you see, this is the adjustment of focusing. You can take it upward or downward as you wish. Not only that, it can move in a direction, 360 degree direction. You see, it can move in a 360 degree direction. Not only that, here also you can move this lens as 360 degree. This lens can be moved 360 degree. Here there is a lens, and this is the part where you can either move upward or downward this lens. Besides that, here you can see that there is a stage. This is the stage where he put something to observe, and here is the clip. There are two clips for slides to fix this slide with the help of these two clips, right? And you can see through this, and here you see there is a plane mirror. You can see here that there is a plane mirror at an angle of 45 degree, such that the rays of light is struck here, and at a 90 degree it comes in here and it is seen or observable, right? Now we will see how it works. This is a simple microscope, or what we say it as dissection microscope, right? We can put it anything here and examine with the help of this lens, right? Let us see what we can see. Let us put something here and let us see. Let us examine here with the help of this dissection microscope, or what we call it as simple microscope, because it has only one lens, right? And this is the stage in which we can put a slide and examine the slide, or you can put anything like leaf or stem and can see through this lens to observe that specimen, right? Now we'll show you how to examine with this dissection microscope. Now you see that we have got a leaf, and we can examine this leaf with the help of this dissection microscope. right? If you have to put the leaf in this stage and clip the stage, clip the leaf with the help of this clip, such that we can observe it very carefully. Here you see that we have put the leaf inside the clip to observe under the microscope. Right? Now if you want to observe the leaf with the help of this dissection microscope, you have to move this to focus, this one to move ups and down to focus the leaf with the help of this. Right? Now this is, you have to move this one to focus the leaf. Here we are moving this one to focus the leaf, and let us see through the lens what we are seeing through this lens. Now I am focusing the camera on the lens so that we may get a clear picture of the leaf. Let us focus on the leaf, on the lens, focus on the lens to get a clear picture of the leaf. Here you see, we can see the leaf in a better way. You can see the midrib and the veins we are seeing through this lens, right? In this way you can observe leaf or slide, any slide in this way. Or you can focus also. Let us try to focus more on this leaf. And here this light, this is our mirror, plane mirror. It gives light on the leaf from below, and here you see, if we focus, we will get a better picture of the leaf through this lens. Here you see, here you can see the leaf through this you can see the midrib and the various parts of the leaf very clearly through the lens. If you see, we can see the leaf with this simple microscope. Here you see, and this is known as dissection microscope, or we say it as simple microscope because it has only one lens. Here you see, or you can also put a slide also to examine the slide with the help of this simple microscope because it has only one lens. Here you see, we can see the leaf clearly, and we can see the midrib and also the veins of the leaf very clearly through this lens. You see, we can see the leaf in a better way. In this way, we can examine various things with this simple microscope. Right? Now we explained how we measure anything with this simple microscope, or what we say it as dissection microscope. Right? And it has only one lens. Right? Let us see the leaf. Again, We can adjust and you can focus also. Suppose you are lifting this one and try to adjust this to focus the leaf in a better way. You see here, now yes, you can see the leaf in a better way. You see the midrib here, right? And you can see the various veins also. You see, these are the various veins seen in the leaf. You see, we can see the veins and midrib also very clearly with the help of this lens, right? In this way we can examine anything like leaf, stem, or you can examine also the various slides. Now we have shown you the various parts of this dissection microscope. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.